Breaking news. Usher's ultimate success secrets revealed. Discover how to master the journey to greatness. Usher, as you know, a musical icon known for his groundbreaking hits, unveiled the ultimate key to success. In a world where dedication is paramount, Usher's words ring true. He said, "Success is about dedication. You may not be where you want to be or do what you want to do when you're on this journey, but you've got to be willing to have a vision, have foresight that leads you to an incredible business success to the end." Capturing attention is the name of the game, and Usher's wisdom offers invaluable insights. Master the art of energy connections to propel your business and your personal aspirations forward, always forward, with a system called rapid resilience and growth patterns. You'll have the tools to navigate the path to greatness in your business. One physical example of business is leveraging the RRG patterns through quick connection workshops, where teams unite to brainstorm and innovate and strategize. Just as Usher's dedication shapes his journey, your commitment to growth will lead to extraordinary outcomes. It's time to stand out and be talked about in a positive way and create unforgettable experiences in your road to success. Harness Usher's wisdom and unlock all this potential by embracing dedication, vision, and foresight. Just keep going. Keep focusing. Keep seeing that vision over and over and over again. That's when things start to happen. Focus on it. Write it down. Somehow get it down where you can see it almost every day. This is where I'm headed. Over and over and over again. Not a whole bunch of images. One particular image that brings your business, your ideas into one picture, energy picture, and go from there. Then things will happen for your business and for you. Thanks for listening. I'm Kerry Ruff.